Hello everyone. So today's topic is about inspecting and protecting documents. Before you share an important document with someone else, there are a couple of things that you can do to finalize and protect it. Let's get started. You will find everything you need in the Backstage view. The Inspect document features will let you remove any hidden personal data that was stored in the file. It also checks for document elements that you generally don't want in a final draft. For example, tracked changes that you forgot to accept or reject. Some of these changes from the inspector fraud would be undone, and it is a good idea to save an extra copy before you continue. When you're ready to go ahead, click Check for Issues and choose Inspect Document from the menu. After that, click Inspect in the dialog box. Now, the results will appear with an exclamation mark next to anything that may contain some sensitive information. In this example, there are some things that have an exclamation mark right above it. You can do a simple thing and click on the Remove All option. So I'm going to take this opportunity to remove them. Click the button to the right that says Remove All and see, the word will erase the data instantly. I'm also going to remove the other things that says remove all, and once and for all, these things will be deleted from your final draft. So when you are done, click the close button. The next thing that I'm going to do is, now that a document has been finalized, we can get it to protection from the people to make any further changes. This step is optional, but it is a great way to control who's allowed to view or edit your work. All you have to do is click the Protect Document command and make a selection from the menu. Some of these options offer a high level of protection, such as Encrypt with Password, which is good for really important or sensitive documents. If you don't need that much security, though, you might want to consider the other options. In this case, I'm going to choose Mark as Final, which will make the document read only. This will discourage people from making any more changes to the file and also let them know that this is the final draft of the document. Once you make your selection, click OK to confirm it. Now, click OK again, and the setting will be applied. Now, whenever someone opens the file, they can only read it, and they will see this little bar at the top of the window that they won't be able to type or delete anything. Now, if they do need to make changes, they can click just the button anyway and click Edit anyway. In short, this option does not provide any actual security to the document, but it is a good way to keep people from changing or deleting by accident. So you see how easy it is to inspect or protect your document before sending it out in a final way. Now you can easily protect and delete all those things so that you can finally send your final draft after inspecting it. Thank you.